Welcome back to the channel. Today I am back with another crochet install. We are featuring Young Beauty hair. Shout out to them for sending over this gorgeous kinky curly crochet human hair. I have these in 18 inches and this is what it looks like right out of the package. This has to be the most curly, coiliest texture that I have tried. So this is something new. This is my braid pattern, which I had from a clip-in install, and I really just took my leave out and braided it down, but these braids are old. But for those of you that are familiar with crochet, you know that a little, like when the braids are a little lived in, the crochet install just looks so much better. So the method that I am using is the push pull loop method. I take the crochet needle and I push it through. I attach the crochet hair and I pull it and loop it. So I call that like a push pull loop. It's pretty simple and it is the same method that I use throughout the entire install unless I decide to use my fingers and loop it. So it's a matter of preference, but this hair is super natural. When I say this mimics every coil in kink, yeah. So I have this in 240 grams. All details will be down in the description box. This hair is available on Amazon, so you're able to get this super fast. And if you have Amazon Prime, even faster. I do like this hair. One thing about curly crochet hair is it is very forgiving. So what I mean by that is you don't have to have the most perfect or seamless install. As you can see with this texture, I'm able to space these crochet links out, and the fact that the hair gets big and poofy is going to camouflage any gaps or spaces. So if you want to go with less hair, say you don't necessarily want a super big look, you don't care for 240 grams, you can always go for less. As far as the hair used, I used about all of the hair. I had maybe 10 to 15 crochet pieces left that I did not use, so I fit as much as I could into this install and I love it. I've never done something like this. Like, these crochet looks are typically different for me. I love to try it all, like, you know, why not? So as you can see, I am going in and adding these pieces in. So the goal for this install is really a side part. Where I had my part in the clip-in braid pattern is where I'm really going for a part in this look. But because my perimeter is left out and very little, I left that out so I can get away with a flip over look. So as you can see, I filled in that side here. I am going to show you what it looks like in the back. It is the same method that I use to install all over. That is what I do in the back. Push, pull, loop, and then I just fill everything in. So after installing this hair, I do show you how to define the curls, and that is going to be a game changer because as you can see, the hair looks very untamed here. So if you like a more defined look, all you really need is some product and some water, and that's really it. But I'm gonna go ahead and continue to fill these in. So I do want to talk to you guys a little bit about like this hair and the takedown, because I did take this down. I didn't film it, but I did take this down, and I do have to say this was different for me. So the easiest way to take these down, as you can see, my foundation was done for another style, and I actually did sew the ends of my braids down for a seamless flat install. So in order to take these out, I had to go in and fish and find the thread and undo the thread and then undo the braid. That is the safest way to take down crochet, especially if you want to save your crochet hair. If you don't care about saving your hair, you can go in and cut the crochet pieces out. But I didn't want to do that. I actually wanted to save this hair. I would love to make this into a wig. So that is just a little tip for the takedown. But as you can see, it is coming along and it is very full. So I like that this hair has these little coils and ringlets at the end because it gives it so much more of a natural look. They mimicked Afro curly hair to the T. Like, they did that. So Young Beauty, I'm loving it. So I'm just going to continue to fill this in, and I will be back once we get closer to the parts where I have my part. So here we're moving along, and as you can see, this side is becoming very, very full. Another thing about this texture and this length is you don't have to worry so much about shaping. I know with other crochet installs, like the longer the hair, you definitely have to do some shaping to get that tapered, perfect fro look. I feel like because these are 18 inches and because it has so much of a coil, you don't even have to pull scissors out. I didn't do any cutting. I didn't do any layering. I didn't do any trimming. I just left it as is and it was perfect. So once I'm done filling in this side, I'm going to move over, and that is where I'm filling in next. And once I'm done with that, that's when I go and I start to crochet those pieces in for my side part. So here we are up to the third pack, and that is what is left. And I'm going to use that to close up the rest of the hair before we get to my part. So we made it to the end of the install, and as you can see, I am closing up my part. I do go in and add more hair because once I started to define the curls, I felt like the space was a little too big. So here I am just using my water and product to spray down the hair and define the curls. I did brush in the water and this is like curling milk, and I love the way it looks. I did not use a diffuser. I just let this hair air dry. It doesn't need a diffuser at all. And depending on what products you like to use, I wouldn't do anything too expensive, but to each his own. So the products that I use will be linked down in the description box. Super affordable, and everything is from Amazon. So I'm just brushing it through and defining the curls, and the hair is gorgeous. Look, this is the most realistic, to me, curly crochet that I have done this far on the channel. Don't get me wrong, I love them all, but look at that curl once I brush that through. That is gorgeous. Don't mind a little white at the end. That is just the product drying down. I'm going to take my leave out down, and that's what's going to give me the ability to do like a flip over or whatever style that I desire. So once I am done, this is what it looks like all done. And I did go in and add some more pieces to that part. So as you can see, it's giving the illusion of a part. And I did have to slick that little edge down because that was left out, and I could have left it as is, but I just, you know me and my edges. So this is the finished look. I love it. It's super natural, super lightweight, and this hair is reusable because I saved it. So all the links will be down in the description box. I do have a short video for this, and this hair is also available on TikTok Shop. So if you prefer TikTok Shop over Amazon, head over there because I have that in my showcase. But I want to shout out Young Beauty for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Oh, and Happy New Year. Bye.